So NoPing reached out to me for a partnership, thinking that I do League of Legends content, which I don't. Like anyone who reads an email and wonder if it's legit or not, put NoPing in Trustpilot and this is what I find. A warning. A warning, why? Because they've been making fake reviews. And here is some legit reviews from verified users who shared their ID with the website. They've been charged unexplained amount of money to their credit cards or banks, as you can see here. I'm pretty sure these users know about these pricings, yet they get charged extra with no reasons. Well, many YouTubers talking about it. Some say it's good. Well, they catch the bite. Maybe they paid them. So it's like a trade offer. I take $60 or $50 from your bank account and you receive few drops in the ping. So don't be a victim. I have few solutions for you and you don't even need a third-party application to do that. Well, maybe you should. First one, you get better internet. You ask your ISP to lower the ping. You find offers from your ISP. At least you can sue them because they're your local ISP. Or you can use a VPN. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There's plenty of free VPNs out there, but make sure it's safe. Well, it's the dumbest solution, but I think you should always pick the closest server to you whenever you play your game. It's simple as that. So yeah, finally, I just want to answer to this email. I'm not interested.